Hi, welcome to papaleofx. I made this video to sell my idea and provide education about money. So, what will you learn? The first is about the story of money, the second is about make money from artificial intelligence, and the third is about make money from Forex. So, what is money? Money is a medium of exchange that facilitates transactions between parties. It serves as a standard unit of value, a store of value, and a means of payment. The history of money starts from ancient times' barter system. The barter system, which was common in ancient times, involved the direct exchange of goods and services without the use of money. For example, a fruit farmer might trade apples for fish from a fisherman. Next, about Lydia coin. The first known coins were minted in Lydia, modern-day Turkey. These coins were made of electrum, a naturally occurring mixture of gold and silver. The use of coins facilitated trade, as they were easier to carry and exchange than large quantities of goods. Next, about the Roman Empire. The Romans introduced the concept of standardized coinage, with each coin having a fixed value. They also introduced the concept of fiat money, with coins being worth more than their actual metal content due to their status as legal tender. Next, about gold and silver standards. During the Middle Ages, gold and silver became the primary standards for currency. The value of a currency was based on the amount of gold or silver it represented. This system laid the foundation for the gold standard, which would dominate international finance for centuries. Next, about paper money. The invention of the printing press led to the creation of paper money. Governments began issuing paper notes backed by gold or silver. This made it easier to carry and exchange currency, but it also introduced the risk of inflation if too much paper money was printed. Next, about the Bretton Woods Agreement. After World War II, the Bretton Woods Agreement established a new international monetary system. It pegged the value of other currencies to the US dollar, which was convertible to gold at a fixed price. This system helped to stabilize international trade and finance, but it also created imbalances that would eventually lead to its collapse. Next, about the Nixon Shock. President Nixon suspended the convertibility of the dollar to gold, effectively ending the Bretton Woods system. This led to the floating exchange rate regime we have today, where currencies are valued based on supply and demand in the open market. This shift marked the beginning of the modern Forex market. Next, about fiat currencies and central banks. Today, most currencies are fiat currencies, meaning they have no intrinsic value and are not backed by physical assets like gold or silver. Instead, their value is determined by supply and demand, as well as the economic health of the country that issues them. Central banks play a crucial role in managing a country's currency, using monetary policy tools to influence interest rates, inflation, and economic growth. So, after you learn the history of money, how to make money? The first is make money from job. You need to find a job. After you're hired, you start working. In return for your work, your employer pays you. Then you continue to work and get paid regularly. Next, make money from sell. You need something to sell. This could be a product, like clothes, food, or electronics, or a service, like cleaning, tutoring, or consulting. You need to find people who want to buy what you're selling. Then, decide how much you want to sell your product or service for. When someone agrees to buy your product or service, you exchange it for money. Next, make money from money. Making money from money means putting your money into things that will grow or give you more money back, like bank accounts, stocks, Bitcoin, Forex, bonds, real estate, or business. Next, in the second part, you will make money using artificial intelligence. AI is like a smart computer that can learn, make decisions, and solve problems, similar to how people do, but often faster and more accurate. AI needs lots of information to learn from. This could be pictures, text, numbers, or any other kind of data. These are like rules that tell the AI how to learn from the data. The AI looks at the data and learns patterns and rules. Once trained, the AI can make predictions or decisions based on new information. So, we will use artificial intelligence to create a website that can run automatically. I will discuss a little about this script, which was created using the Node.js programming language. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript code on the server side. The advantage of Node.js is that it is known for its speed, and its scalability makes it an ideal choice for building AGC keyword AI scripts. This script is designed to automatically retrieve derived keywords from search engines Google and then generate articles via AI API. Next is the LMDB, Lightning Memory Mapped Database. LMDB is a very fast key-value database and efficient. The AGC keyword AI script uses LMDB to store keyword data derivatives and resulting articles. The advantage of LMDB lies in its high performance, low memory consumption, and its ability to handle read-write operations automatically fast and efficient. By using LMDB, this script can store and access data quickly, ensuring the process runs smoothly and without obstacles. Next, retrieving derived keywords from Google. The first step in this process is scraping or extracting derived keywords from Google search results. By using the injection method into the Inspect Element console, the script will access the Google search page based on the keywords you have focused on determined. Then, the script will take derivative keywords recommended by Google. These keywords are very important because they are many variations of keywords searchable and relevant to the main keyword. This derived keyword data is then saved in the LMDB database. Next, article creation via API artificial intelligence. After getting the derived keywords stored in LMDB, the script will utilize them AI API to generate articles. The AI API used is usually one service based on artificial intelligence that can produce high-quality text based on words given key. This process ensures that the articles produced are relevant and informative, according to the derived keywords that have been taken. Next, article appearance and indexing. After the article has been successfully generated by the AI API, the next step is to display it. The article is on the AGC web page. The AGC web page will display the content directly so that the resulting content is quickly indexed by search engines. This script too uses two indexing methods, Index Now and Google's Indexing API. Index Now is a protocol that allows website owners to notifying search engines of content changes in real time. With using Index Now, new articles will be immediately known by search engines, speed up the indexing process. Google provides a special API for indexing new content. By utilizing this API, the script can directly send the URL of new articles to Google to index. This process speeds up the time it takes for an article to appears in Google search results. Next, 24-hour automatic process. The main advantage of the AGC keyword AI script is its ability to run automatically for 24 hours without stopping. This script is designed to continuously retrieve derived keywords, generate articles, and index them without manual intervention, automatic. This allows the website to always have the latest and relevant content, which can improve rankings in search results and attract more visitors. Next, in the third part, you will make money from Forex. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global marketplace for trading national currencies against one another. Participants in the Forex market include banks, central banks, commercial companies, hedge funds, retail Forex brokers, and individual investors. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, across major financial centers around the world. This allows traders to react to news events as they happen, regardless of the time of day. So, why Forex? The Forex market is the most liquid financial market in the world, with a daily trading volume exceeding $6.6 trillion. Forex markets offer opportunities in both rising, bullish, and falling, bearish markets. Traders can go long, buy, if they anticipate the value of a currency will rise, or short, sell, if they expect it to fall. Forex trading can be done with relatively small amounts of capital and through online trading platforms, which are easily accessible to retail traders globally. After you know about Forex, how to make money from Forex, the simplest way is to buy at the lowest price, sell at the highest price, and look at market behavior. So what if when you buy the price continues to fall, when you sell the price continues to rise, and what is the market behavior like for the best entry? To answer all these questions, papaleofx provides education on all the strategy options for getting the best entry position. At papaleofx, you will learn about the frce-f strategy. You will get MetaTrader 4 custom indicators, MetaTrader 5 custom indicators. So, if you want to know the details, you can send me a message by clicking the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.